Your purpose is founded on taking care of others, giving back, making a difference, and just about humanity. Is that a correct assessment?
Certainly, it is a correct assessment. And without that, one should always remember that if others did not serve their purpose, we, as we are today, would not be able to benefit from what we are experiencing now. So if we fail to serve our purpose, then we'll be failing the next generation that is relying on us to ensure that we do what we are required to do in fulfilling our purpose, so that this continuity of growth and success can continue for humanity. So if you fail to do your purpose, to realize your purpose, to live your purpose, then to an extent you will be contributing to the failure of humanity.